Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Clean Your Gutters. Just kidding. Britt here with ShirtSpace, here to talk to you about a much more fun topic, t-shirts. And today we're going to talk about a ladies' version of one of the most popular Port & Company tees there is. This t-shirt will be your new best friend because of its friendly price point, side seams that hug you just right, and an inviting color palette that won't invite you over on a Friday night and instead ditch you for her boyfriend when you were really looking forward to a girls' night. Sorry, I got kind of carried away with that one. Back to the t-shirt, the Port & Company LPC 54 Ladies Core Cotton Tee surely won't let you down like your ex-best friend. LPC 54 weighs, you guessed it, 5.4 ounces, making it the perfect midweight tee. And since many of the colors come in 100% cotton, it's the ideal shirt for many forms of apparel decoration. Just consider if you should pre-wash the shirt before decorating, since cotton does tend to shrink slightly. The exception to these tees being 100% cotton is the athletic heather color that is 90% cotton and 10% polyester, and the neon colors in dark heather gray, which is 50% cotton and 50% polyester. Just be mindful of making your color selection depending on what form of customization you had in mind, but more on that later. As for the fit, the LPC 54 was created with a woman's body in mind. If you like a looser unisex cut, we recommend trying out the PC 54. And if you want a slightly more fitted shirt that has side seams and a contoured body for a feminine fit, then the LPC 54 is the right choice for you. This tee comes in 28 colors, from black, white, and a variety of grays to brights and even brighter neons that I have previously mentioned before. Speaking of neon colors, Port & Company does relay the message that special care should be taken when printing on 50% cotton and 50% polyester neon blended fabrics. The best bet to avoid printing mishaps is to test dyes, fabrics, and techniques before you start a large-scale printing production. If you're a garment decorator, listen up. You can screen print on the LPC 54, and you can also use heat transfer vinyl as well, but as always, check your heat settings and make sure you adjust according to the manufacturer's instructions and whatever material makeup you select. You can also DTG print as well as embroider too, and you can do tie-dye, but make sure to choose one of the 100% cotton options for best results. You cannot sublimate on these shirts just because there is not a high enough percentage of polyester on any of the material makeups. If you think that the LPC 54 is your new best friend, head over to ShirtSpace.com where you can get it at super low and affordable prices. It comes in sizes small through 4XL, so almost any woman can build a relationship with the LPC 54 Ladies Core Cotton Tee. Besides the PC 54 unisex tee, there's also a long sleeve version, a kids version, toddlers, and infant companion products to go with the LPC 54. So check them out to outfit your whole family or to create a product line that will appeal to anybody. Whether you're buying a handful of t-shirts or a large bulk order, we always provide low wholesale prices, super fast shipping, and USA-based customer service that's here to help. So head over to ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. If you have any questions about t-shirts, Port & Company t-shirts, or this t-shirt in particular, make sure to let us know in the comments below. As always, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great rest of your day. Cotton is an amazing plant for a number of reasons, but mostly because it has zero waste while harvesting. Besides the fluffy fibers, the seeds are used to create animal feed and also for cottonseed oil for humans. And then the stalks are rototilled back into the soil for the next harvest.